Hello and welcome to the College Essay Advisor's Common App tutorial for 2018-19. As you can see, we're on the Common Application page, and it's brand new for the new season, so that's exciting. You'll start by creating an account, or if you already have one, if you made one earlier in the year, your account does roll over, so you can just log in that way. Then you will be prompted, if you do have an application that has rolled over, to select which kind of applicant you are. So let's say first year student applying for 2019. And if your high school is still the same, you can just select yes. Then you just have to check some boxes, confirming that you are who you say you are, and where you're located, whether you're in a European Union country. Then you can select colleges that were already on your list and either roll them all over to the next application, or maybe you've decided not to apply to a few and you'll let those stay as they are and not roll over, so they won't be in your college list. And lastly, you'll select that you're a student and you're in. So you'll see the colleges I just selected on the previous screen are in the My Colleges tab. You can go to My Colleges to see their questions and their supplemental essays. So for Boston University, you can hit Essay Questions, and then that'll bring you to your essay prompts. So Duke is a little different. You have to choose whether you want to go into Trinity or Pratt to have all of the supplemental essays present themselves. So if we select Arts and Sciences, then we go to Writing Supplement, we'll see that there's a specific question for the Trinity College of Arts and Sciences. So that's there as it required, 150 words, then an optional Duke essay. We don't really think it's optional. We think you should take advantage of every opportunity you have to speak to admissions in your own voice. That being said, there are some rare circumstances where we think some essays really are optional, and Duke is a perfect example because their second optional essay is a question about your LGBTQIA identity, and if you do not identify with that community group, you should leave this essay alone and only respond to the one about the broader community, which I've highlighted here. If you want to add more colleges, you can go to college search, and you can search for the college by name. It's also cool, you can also search by the distance from a certain zip code, perhaps your zip code. You can also search for whether they require the Common App essay and whether they require additional college-specific essays. We do not recommend trusting this, though, because not all schools have their college-specific essays in a supplemental essay writing section. Some of them, like Vanderbilt, are hiding in the activity section. So here I have Vanderbilt. As you can see, it looks like there's no writing supplement, but if you go into questions and then into activities, you'll see that sure enough, there is a question that is not required, but we definitely think you should take advantage of this opportunity. And so, like I was saying, you can search that way. Application fee, you can search by state, which is wonderful. So there are a lot of different ways you can go about this. So Common App, this is the Common App section. You'll see profile, family, education, testing, activities, writing. This information will go to every single school you apply to, so you definitely want to get this part down. And if you go to writing, our favorite part here at College Essay Advisors, you will see not only which of the schools on your college list already requires it, but the prompts, which we also have on our website. We also have prompt breakdowns on our website. And then the text box is down here, which you will be able to put your essay right into. So as you can see, you have a minimum of 250 words, a maximum of 650 words. This is where your essay will go. And there is also this additional information section. Do you wish to provide details of circumstances or qualifications not reflected in the application? We do have more information about the additional information section on our website. If you'd like to check that out, I can provide a link below in the description box. But not all students will be taking advantage of this section. My Colleges is also a place to see when your deadlines are. So Boston University, every school on your list will have application deadlines in the same exact spot, as well as contact information, which is wonderful if you have a question. You can only keep 20 schools on your list at once, so you can always go to dashboard if you want to take one off your list. So I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you have any questions about the college essay or our one-on-one advising services, please feel free to go to our website and fill out a contact form, and we will get in touch with you as soon as we can.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We are going to be uploading many more videos for the 2018-19 application season, so check back for regular editions. Also, if you want more information about College Essay Advisors one-on-one advising services, feel free to check us out, collegeessayadvisors.com. We also have an online course where you can get essay help right now. Again, check out collegeessayadvisors.com. Follow us on social media, but don't forget, come back here to find more videos for tips and tricks to help you with your admissions essays.